Are you trying to figure out what sauce would go best with grilled meats or pork? Well, look no further. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy, and the sauce you've been looking for is a sauce Robert, a French sauce. It's delicious, easy to make, and tastes great. These are the ingredients for sauce Robert. We have 1 cup of Espagnole sauce, 1 medium onion, that's about 130 grams, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/3 of a cup of white wine, that's about 83 milliliters, a pinch of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon Mustard. Let's begin this sauce Robert or sauce Robert. Start off with a burner over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter, melt it down. This sauce works really well with grilled meats. It works perfect. It's fantastic with pork, especially if you pan fry the pork. You can use those drippings to start off the base of this sauce. Once the butter is melted, add the diced onions. That's 1 medium onion, about 130 grams. Throw it on in, give it a little bit of a mix. Make sure that the onions are well coated with that butter. The burner is over medium to medium high heat. We want to brown these guys. We don't want to caramelize them fully. We just want to get a little bit of golden brown on the edges to give a little flavor to our sauce Robert. Alright, so these bad boys are looking good. A little bit of brown around the edges. Now it's time to deglaze with white wine. 1/3 of a cup, pour it on in. With liquid in the pan, it is a perfect time to grab a spatula, scrape the bottom and the sides of the pan. The onions, while they were sauteing, left a brown residue on the bottom of the pan. That is flavor. And with the wine in the pan, that liquid, you can take a spatula, scrape the bottom and sides of the pan to release that flavor into the sauce. Reduce the wine until it's pretty much all gone. This will remove all of that alcohol and it'll concentrate the flavors for the sauce. So the wine's been reduced down. Now it's time to add our liquids. We're going to add 1 cup of Espagnole sauce. Check the link on the top of the page to a recipe on how to make Espagnole sauce. If you don't have sauce Espagnole, you can use a beef stock. You can lightly thicken it with a beurre manier or a roux. Grab a spatula, mix that brown sauce in, let it simmer over medium to low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let those onions infuse their flavor into the sauce Robert. Hey, and if you like sauces and gravies, now would be the perfect time to smash that like button to get that algorithm to shoot this video out to all those that might enjoy this recipe. And for your support, I'm going to show you a picture of a fuzzy cat. The sauce looks great. It's infused the flavor. It's perfect thickness. The line test, the line stays. Perfect. Now we're ready to turn off heat and add 1 tablespoon of Dijon Mustard. Sauce Robert is a derivative sauce of the French mother sauce Espagnole. You might think that because it's a French sauce, it would be hard to make, but it really isn't. It's easy to make and it pairs well with pretty much just about anything. Grab a whisk, give it a stir. You'll notice that as you mix that mustard into the sauce, it becomes a little bit thicker. And now for the final ingredient, a pinch of sugar. And that's how you make sauce Robert. And if you're curious and want to know how to make an Espagnole sauce, click the video on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It's a great video on how to make Espagnole sauce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.